Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to generate a 2 seconds video to create the AI avatar, like I mentioned before. First of all, you need to take a photo. So here is the steps. So you need to take a photo. I already take some photo over here, so you can take a look. By default, the photo you take by your iPhone, the dimension is pretty large. Like right now is like 4,000 by the 3,000. So you need to resize this one, resize to the like 1920 to by the 1080. So let's show you how to do that. You could use any software to do that. I use this one. I use the Paint Net, or you use the MS Paint. So first of all, just create a new canvas. So create 1020. Okay. So click OK. Now you just copy this one, anything to over here. So do not change the canvas size. And you could resize this a little bit. So let's resize this a little bit. Okay. Okay, resize this a little bit. I would like place the your image in the center of the screen. So this way it could work on both the mobile device and your browser. So let's do this. Okay. Now you can save this. Save as. Okay, it's PNG or JPEG is fine. Just save the PNG. Okay. Okay. Now you have this one. If you look at the size, supposed to be like 1920 by 1080. So now let's use the next one. I already resized this one. So next one, let's generate the video. Okay, so go over here. I use the clean. You could use a different software or the tool to generate the 5 6 video. So let's update over here. Okay. And let's put some prompt over there. So the prompt should be something like this. You can change this accordingly. Look at the camera and blink naturally. So it will blink. Do not make any other expression or movement. So keep your face facing in the camera and do not move your head gracefully. So, okay, now let's generate two. I already generated before. So let's start to generate. I think I use a different one. Okay, it may take like 1 minute to get it generate. After you generate that, you could download that. Let's keep it generating. Okay, now it's generated. So you could download this one. I would like to download without audio. So let's just download this one. You need to use the clean. If you don't have the software, you can have a free version. Or you can send the file to me. I can generate that for you if you send me the photo. Okay. Now let's have this. We have this file. Now the next one what we need to do is okay. Let me get the file. Okay, you have the file over here. Now the next one you need to use Adobe video editor to do that. I use the Adobe Premiere to do that. So let's go over here and drag this file. Let's open this file. New project. Replace. Skip this one and drag the file. over here. Now let's say take a look. So it will run. Here we have some trick. You need to find the where I blink. So if you go over here, so here I blink over here, here, over here. So stop right here, and find half seconds before this one and half seconds after this one. So let's say this is 3 and 15. So let's go back to. So we need to go back to. So we're gonna go another half seconds. That means it's another 15 frames. So let's go to over here. Let's go to 3 right and 3. Okay. So here, let's cut from here. Okay. Let's click the cut tool, cut here. Now let's go another side, which will be plus 15 frames. So let's go over here. Okay, so let's cut here. Now let's keep this one. So let's delete here and delete this guy. Let's take a look. Okay, looks good. So let's copy this one. We need to duplicate this one. Let's copy, make a copy. Okay, let's duplicate this one. So now for this one, you need to reverse, because if you reverse that, that will connect smoothly. It will join very smoothly. If you don't do that, it will say, you can say there are some jump. So let's go click this one, right click this one, pick up the speed duration, and reverse this one. Click OK. Now you can see they don't have any jump. So, and in this 2 seconds, it will blink twice. Okay, so now it's working. Let's export this one. Let's save this one and export this one. Export this one. Click export. Okay, now you have the file. Let's find the file. Okay, here is the file I just generate. So now let's use this file. Let's go back to the NavTalk. Okay, let's go over here and create an avatar. Test 3, test 5, 4. Your name, Frank. Let's drag the file I just generated. This is 2 seconds. Okay. Now it's here. Let's make sure it's right. Okay, let's generate. Now it will take another 1 minute to get it generate. Okay, it's generated. So let's do some test. Hey, could you tell me a story?
Sure, I'd love to tell you a story. Let me begin.
Okay, could you count from 1 to 10?
All right. On a scale from 1 to 10, let's give that story a solid 7. There's plenty of room to add more adventure or some unexpected twist.
Okay, that works fine. What's your name?
My name is Frank. I'm here to help and share more stories anytime you'd like.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, this is how we generate the avatar from very beginning. You need so let's go back to here. So first of all, you need to take a photo, and then you need to resize the photo and generate 5 seconds video with the AI tool. and then cut 1 second and duplicate it to 2 seconds. There's some tricky. You need to find the blink point. At that point, you need to extend forward and back forward. Get 1 second and duplicate that to 2 seconds. So it's a little bit tricky. If you have some question or have some problem, I could do that for you if you are a subscriber of the NavTalk. Another one is I probably will integrate this to the this page. So when you create that, I try to you just upload a file, image file, a photo. So I will automatically do this for you, but it may need some time. I will call the clean API to do that. Make the whole process more smooth. Yeah, that is the next one I need to do. I need to do some improvement for the process of generate the avatar. Yeah, I think right now just manually do that. Yeah, I think that pretty much more. Thank you for your watching. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Bye.